everybody. I have a CVS ad preview starting this Sunday, the 22nd. I don't know if I'm going to have a Walgreens ad preview because the ad I saw, it looks like a lot of repeat deals. But we have a spend 30, get 10 on a lot of laundry products as usual. See what coupons we have for those. Let me know what your favorite deal is. And then we do have a good deal. Spend 20, get 10 on Tresemme. We're supposed to get a 5 off of 2. We have $1.99 cereal again, $2.99 for the 24-pack of water. That's not a bad price. I missed the $1.99 at Walgreens. That was really good. But then we also have extra deal days, $3.99 for the Gatorade. We have some coffee deals that aren't bad, $4.99. So if you could leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of any of these deals. But it looks like it's going to be a good week for CVS. Now, this is another deal. Viva Cottonelle, $9.99, spend 15, get 5. I like this deal, so I may be doing that deal. I really like both of these products. Viva is one of my favorites. I usually get that at Walgreens when it's on sale. And then also what we have is we have other items in the spend 30, get 10. We have Secret, Gillette, Charmin Bounty, things like that. So for a full ad preview, go to CVS.com. We'll have to see what coupons we do get, but we have Neutrogena. Spend 10, get 5, any Neutrogena cosmetics. So there may be coupons hanging around or coming. It doesn't say, but that's getting half your money back. So that's a pretty decent deal. And then another deal is the Eucerin Aquaphor. Spend 20, get 10. I like this deal. It says excludes radiant tone. I don't even know if I've seen that before. But Degree is buy 2, get $4, $4 off on 2. Not a bad deal. It would be nice if it was buy 1, get 1 50, but that's what we have. So we also have $2.49, buy 2, get 2, the soft soap, hand soap, or the Irish Spring. Good deal. $3.99. We have a $2 off digital for Breeze. Spend 30, get 10. That's part of the deal. So if you want to include that. And then we have buy 1, get 1 50, buy 2, get 4 on Gillette Venus disposable razors. Also, the foamies are included, and they're cheap. And they're buy 1, get 1 50. So this is a good deal to incorporate. If you have a spend deal, like a 10 off 70 or something like that. But let me know your favorite deal down in the comments. And that's it for now, guys.